Good morning, students. So today we're going to solve question 1 from GATE CSE 2023. The question states that we reached the station late and underscore missed the train. So it's a simple English type question, right? So you would have to apply these words over here and then see if they make sense, right? So the best way, if you're listening to this video, I expect that you must know English to some extent, because if you don't know English, there is a language barrier over there, then you would not be watching this video, right? So read the sentence with these words being present in the blanks. That is one of the direct ways to directly eliminate the wrong options. Most of the time that also works, right? So let's do that and see for ourselves. Near, if we apply near over here, then let's read it. We reached the station late and near missed the train. Near missed the train. It does not sound very good. Does not sound very good. Okay, so let's apply the second word, nearly. We reached the station late and nearly missed the train. Sounds okay. Nearly missed the train. Yeah, it sounds okay. Third option, utterly. So we reached the station late and utterly missed the train. Utterly. Utterly. No, it sounds a bit too specific. And mostly. After that, mostly. Right? We reached the station late and mostly missed the train. It also sounds too specific. So if I were to be given this question in the examination, I would be taking B. Right? I would be taking B. But because right now it is not the examination and we both have the benefit of the time with us, I'm going to open the dictionary and read out the exact meaning of these, and let's see how it actually works out, right? From the actual the construction of this question was done by examiner, and when that was to be done, the English dictionary must have been opened at some point, right? Because you cannot be wrong when you're constructing a question. So first of all, missed is a verb, right? Missed is a verb. So that verb has to be described, right? So adverb is the word which is used to describe a verb, right? Because this missed verb is to be more qualified over here, right? So all these are adverbs, right? And are being asked of us to apply them over here, right? But more specifically, this adverb over here must be about time and it must be about the past. That is the requirement. That is the requirement. Either it should directly be about time and directly be of the past, or it must not contradict this base level more specification that are being imposed by this sentence, right? So if there should be a word of this sort that can be used with time and with past, right? So that is the requirement with us. Once the requirement is clear to us, let's see the dictionary meaning of these. Near means at or to a short distance away, nearby. Right, so this is talking about distance. So this is not talking about time or past, right? So this meaning is not of interest to us. This meaning is not of interest to us. The second one says a short time away in the future, right? In the future. So it is of meaning and it is of contradictory meaning, right? This part clearly states that it's about the past that we're looking at. This part states that it is about the future. So this near, if applied over here, would basically mean that it is about the future and also be about the past simultaneously. So it's a contradiction. So we can say correctly that yes, the first option cannot be the correct one, right? So first option cannot be the correct one. Let's do that. The second one is nearly, right? So nearly basically means very close to almost, right? Very close to almost and closely. So nothing over here is of contradiction to time and past. It can directly be applied, right? And even when I read it, it directly made sense to me. It clicked together. So it does make sense. So let's keep it like that. Okay, so now let's look at the third one, utterly. What does utterly means? Utterly means a completely without qualification, absolutely. So absolutely, it basically is trying to tell us that it is of 100%, right? It is happening certainly. What is the point of being so specific so as to go to tell that 100% yes, the train must be missed, right? It was missed, okay, because of time gap or time synchronization did not happen, but the specification that it was utterly missed is an overkill, right? So it does not make sense to use this word, right? So by elimination, I can say that yes, this is not an option, right? And D is mostly. Now mostly basically means more than half, right? It is also too specific, right? More than half, right? You miss a train more than %. Why? You cannot be that specific. The quantitative framework to actually specify the probability, to talk about probability that is more than half or completely that or 200%, that part does not exist. The context for that part is not being presented. It is not a paragraph, it is just a sentence, right? So right, this is also does not make sense, right? What is the only option that does make sense? Well, B. So that is the answer that you need, and that is the answer that is present in the answer key also. I hope you learned something. I hope that you like this video. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.